London Heathrow, where the local time is now 9:24 a.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please do not plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all your belongings. Please be careful when opening the overhead bins. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the doors to allow flight attendants to complete important safety duties. And after we arrive at the gate, we'll be handing you off to our airport team. They'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Additionally, some of you will receive an email survey asking you about your experience. We'd love to get your feedback on how you enjoyed your flight with us today. On behalf of the Star Alliance, United Airlines, and this entire flight crew, I'd like to thank you for flying with us today. It has been our pleasure having you on board, and we hope to see you very soon in the friendly skies. So once again, welcome to London and good morning.